This is one of the toughest questions to answer through a video or an email or even a phone call. It's tough because the truthful answer is, it depends. Now, before you throw your hands up in the air and scroll on, please hear me out. Delivering an accurate estimate requires a proper inspection of your existing windows and your home's construction and condition. Delivering an accurate estimate requires that we understand exactly what your needs are and that we present you with the most cost-effective solution. Delivering an accurate estimate requires that we help you understand that all windows and all window companies are not created equal. You see, in this age of internet information, companies can say whatever they want when it comes to quality and efficiency. And with a topic that most aren't too familiar with, such as replacing your windows, it can be difficult to know if you're really comparing apples to apples. Have you ever noticed that the so-called review sites will only list a very wide range when talking about price? Ranges so broad that the numbers become impossible to consider or compare. Have you ever noticed that the only companies that state a fixed price are typically the ones that display pricing that seems too good to be true? That's because those prices are too good to be true. Have you ever seen a company like Andersen or Pella display a super low price just to get you to call? The cost to replace your windows will vary according to the product, the installation, energy ratings, and where you live. Now, there are two things we'd like to provide you with in order to help answer this important question. Number one, if you contact our office, we'd be happy to send you the Cost versus Value Report. This is an industry publication done by Remodeling Magazine that compares home improvement project pricing in over 150 US markets. Two, we'd like to schedule an on-site consultation so that we can deliver an accurate estimate. There'll be no obligation to buy, but you'll know a lot more about our product and our business so that you can do the real comparison.